Hello everyone, so I'm inside Dollarama and these are new to me. I haven't seen the three on this wood board. I think they're going to sell really fast. This is the one I normally see, which is also newer, but there's something special about this wood board. Really lovely. These are a newer find as well. There's the salt and pepper. Lots of serving bowls, like really large ones. Oh, a few Mickey Mouse themed ones still kicking around. Oh, these are new. This is new. It's going to sell so quick. Really solid. Very stylish. They have a matching bowl and then dessert plate or side plate. I am all about gingerbreads this year, and this is perfect paper for me to play with. They have the cutest boxes here if you're looking for a gift box. I've actually been looking for a tart baking sheet. This is perfect. They actually have quite a variety of items. This is unique. I haven't seen this before. Has anyone tried it? Does it make a good donut? Donut pan. This feels solid as well, made by Betty Crocker. What a great little score here. And After 8 as well. They have the After 8 sticks and then the patties if you like After 8. Little Kinder ones if you want to put them in a treat bowl. I like to look for little individually wrapped things, so then I put it in a treat bowl. How cute are these for a stocking stuffer? So they're the Grinch Kisses. And they also have regular Kisses here in the tube, candy cane. I think this is a pretty good value because you can take apart the Kinder because they're all foiled and individually wrapped. These are so cute. They've really had some wonderful boxes to choose from. So if you're looking, peek here. You sometimes don't think that, this is a great, oh my gosh, look how nice this is. If you're baking, this is great. It's so deep. It's really well done. I haven't seen it at all the other Dollaramas, to be honest. Oh, and some more containers. These have lids as well. Ziploc is here for cookie baking storage, and they have lots of baking supplies as well if you need boxes, and these are really nice as well for gift giving. I'm not familiar with this, but it looks like it's a James Bond type of movie. Board game, 007. Maybe somebody else knows about it. They have a few items here. Among Us. Big puzzles as well. Sticker book full of Mario. They have the Mess-Free My Little Pony. This is totally up my alley because I love coloring, but sometimes I'm like, I feel a little overwhelmed choosing colors because I'm a bit of a perfectionist. I think I love all the colors to match. So I think a color by number, I love paint by number, so I think a color by number would be perfect for me. Way too many cute things, that's for sure. Like all these little baking cups. Oh my gosh, cutest print. Super cute. There's a few different sentiments on these. Are really well done. This one. This is an amazing find. So they're the flip top containers in here, and you're going to pay so much more at Michael's Someone was looking for these, so they are out again this year. Beautiful burgundy velvet. These were at Marshall's, and I think they were $6. I love the different options here. Maybe they were even $7.99. The Santa one. Definitely saw it. These little boxes are very popular. And they have these as well. But I still think the pink one is the most popular. It sells the fastest. And they have different sizes, of course, larger and smaller. So they have these, which I haven't seen anywhere else. And the Viro mug, gingerbread. These are really pretty. I know somebody was asking. And they have new sticker packets this year, which is super awesome because there's 2 sheets per versus just the one, which I've bought in the past. I think last year I grabbed a whole bunch of these. They remind me of the enamel stickers, shapes, sticker shapes. I forget there's a brand. Is it from Simple Stories? Oh dear, I'll have to look it up for you. Oh, these are beautiful too. And more boxes. These are really nice. They're large. Hard to share with you how large they are, but they're good quality as well. I love the vintage feel of these cards. These pinks would go with that little box, or even the build-up boxes. Like these ones here where you can kind of build them up. These little snowflake ornaments are not hanging with the ornaments. They're more with the signs. So if you're looking for them, they're really cute. Huge Noel sign. And they have lots of baking cups. And the Grinch theme. So if you're hosting a Grinch theme for kiddos or something, they have plates and napkins. These are cute. And so many new ornaments this year, the gingerbread theme. Again, there's a little house too in here. I want to know. And these are 3. What is, wow, look, this is pretty heavy. Like, this is solid. Wow. I love these. So cute. So sweet. Really like this. I think I'm going to grab a roll. And they have this one too. I'm going to head to the checkout though. I think I'm about finished here. I hope you enjoyed walking through Dollarama with me today. And until next time, everyone, thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.